Warning, burp, burp, burp. Hopefully this is just a reminder for you, and it's not the first time anybody's made you aware of this. Nobody in your office, nobody on your team, nobody in your organization is going to buy from you. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because 48 to 74% of the average salesperson's time is spent chit-chatting, gossiping, talking, strategizing with other people in the office. You have a 0% chance of selling them anything. I'm going to tell you right now, you can double or even triple your income over the next 6 months if you just focus on this. Spend 94% or more of your time selling, closing, prospecting, and 6% of your time or less gossiping, talking about things you can't control, talking about coworkers, talking about the big game with folks in your office. This whole office culture crap is costing you money. Stay focused, stay on target, and spend your time doing what they hired you to do. Close those deals. My name is Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.